Hey guys, this is Tyler here. Today we are programming an aftermarket remote head key that we've created with the VVDI key tool to a 2010 Ford Focus using the AutoProPAD LITE.
Good. Alright, so here we are. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up this vehicle in the AutoPro app just to check out what kind of remote it is, what system it is, etc, etc. So I'm going to go to my AutoPro app. Give it a second to boot up. Alrighty. So we're going to go to search by make. I'll wait for it. Let's go to Ford. Focus, and then 2008 to 11 because we're in a 2010. So as we can see here, it gives us all the information for the vehicle, the code series, the spaces and depths for the vehicle, where the tumbler locations inside each lock, the mechanical key, transponder key, and then all of the different remote keys that it has for this vehicle. Also it shows us leashes and cutting cards for each different machine, and then something we would like to note, success rates for each different programming machine. Today we're using the AutoProPAD LITE, and it has the success rates on here. So far it looks like for the AutoProPAD, 2 people have successfully programmed this vehicle. No people have had any trouble with it so far, and there's also comments which we can do later, but so let's get right into it. Alright, so now that we're done with the AutoPro app, let's go to the AutoProPAD. Go to Ford, Lincoln, Mercury. Hit agree. Alright, and we're going to search by type, immobilizer. And then before I hit auto, I'm going to stick the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, and then press auto. And it tells us the VIN number, the type of ECU, and the number of keys that are already programmed. So today, I'm not going to be doing an all key slot situation, we're just going to be adding a key, so I hit add key. It says insert new key in switch ignition, press OK. So if we have the new key in the switch ignition, we're going to hit OK. And now it's going to do a 10-minute wait. So we're going to pause here and come back in 10 minutes. Alrighty, so after your 10 minutes are up, the screen will say programming success. We missed the last few seconds of it to get it on video, but this is what it says after the 10 minutes is up. So we're just going to hit OK. And test our key, so make sure it's cranking the vehicle. Let's try it. There we go. So it did take to the car. And so to do the remotes, we're going to have to do the onboard programming procedure, which for Ford is pretty simple. Because this is an aftermarket key, the chip and the board are separate. So the onboard programming procedure for this car is we're just going to stick the key in the ignition and go on and off 8 times. On the 8th time, we're going to leave it on the on position. Locks are going to cycle to tell us it's in programming mode. So we're going to do that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock cycle. And then we press any button on the remote. Lock cycle again to confirm that it's been programmed, and then we turn the ignition off, and that confirms that it's exited programming mode. So now we're going to test the remote. Lock works, unlock works, and trunk button works. So we're good to go. So now that we wrapped up our programming, one last thing we need to do. So we're going to go back into our AutoPro app. Hit it worked for me. And then you can type in some information if you want to. I'm not going to. Okay. So I'm just going to hit submit. And it says successfully submitted. and it was at 2 before, so now it says 3 working, still has 100% success rate, so we're doing good on this. So we'd be happy if you did this every time. It allows us to know what's working, what's not working, what kind of issues our customers are having when you put it in the comments. So yeah, go ahead and do that whenever you're done. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.